Yeah, that's right, puppy. Oh yeah, this thing just makes some beautiful noise. Very stable. Good throttle response. Oh my goodness. That's just a thrill every time. It just makes you want to rev it and just to hear it. Oh, this transmission is just a beauty. Gears up and down real nice. Ah. Of course, turn my gas off. Want to be running out of gas as I come down the driveway. And keep those float bowls empty. That goes a long way to saving on the carb rebuilds, you know. Up, there we go, perfect. Oh, well, there you have it. Oh my gosh, what a gorgeous, beautiful bike to ride. Oh, lovely day for it. So thanks for watching, and we'll end it here, and stay tuned for more videos from Austin Vintage Wheel.